Welcome back to AI Switch, where we dive into the world of artificial intelligence. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools that you should definitely try. Whether you're a student, content creator, or just a tech enthusiast, these tools will change the way you work. Let's jump right in. First up, we've got ChatGPT from OpenAI. This conversational AI is perfect for generating text, brainstorming ideas, and even getting help with coding. Whether you need assistance with writing emails, creating blog posts, or solving math problems, ChatGPT can do it all. And the best part, you can access it for free. Next we have DALL-E 2, another amazing tool from OpenAI. It lets you create stunning, high-quality images just by describing them with text. Whether you need illustrations for your projects or simply want to have some fun with your ideas, DALL-E 2 makes it easy and free to generate unique images in minutes. Tool number 3 is Grammarly. If you're a writer, student, or even just someone who wants to improve their grammar, this AI-powered writing assistant is a game changer. Grammarly checks your grammar, spelling, and style, making sure your writing is polished and professional. And while the premium version is paid, the free version still covers the essentials. Next, we have Canva. This tool has been around for a while, but did you know they've integrated AI into their design process? With Canva's free version, you can create stunning graphics, social media posts, presentations, and more. It even suggests layouts and designs based on your content, making it super easy to create professional quality designs. Finally, we've got Runway ML. This is a powerful tool for video editing and creative professionals, offering AI tools for tasks like background removal, object tracking, and even generating special effects. With its free plan, you can explore many of these features and take your video to the next level. These are 5 free AI tools that can make your life easier and more efficient. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.